Tweety, it's time to wake up. The sun is shining. The birds are chirping. Sweet play later. Alright, Tweety, don't be so lazy. Because the sun is chirping, the birds are chirping, the sun is shining. Now, get yourself up. Now let's go and play together. Come on. I'm trying to sleep, Dummy. No, I'm going to sleep here. Tweety bird, does Jumpy actually wake up? No. Yes, of course he did, and I wake up. Time. Did you get enough sleep? I told you to go to sleep, and you didn't listen. So, now, the sun is chirping, the sun is shining. No! I don't want to wake up. I don't want to wake up. I don't want to wake up. I'll try number 2 to see what happens.